Hey there, YouTubers! Hi there, Dr. Sheep here. Welcome back to another Cooking with Dr. Sheep. Well, kind of cooking, I guess. Today, as you can tell by the title of the video, I am finally making the sequel to my Mrs. Wage's one-step pickling solution by doing this today. Mrs. Wage's Create Kosher Dill Pickles. As you can see here, ta-da! So, the recipe calls for on the back 2 pounds of pickling cucumbers. I have slicers, 3 and 4 cup 3/4 cup vinegar, 2 cups water, and 1 pouch of the pickling solution. So, first step is you need to sanitize the jars, which I just so happen to have in the microwave with a little bit of water. We're going to set this for like, I don't know, 5 minutes. Then start creating steam, get the jars nice and sanitized while we prep the solution. So, first step is to measure out 2 cups of water into a non-aluminum saucepan. Okay, this is apparently, quote-unquote, titanium, silver, aluminum, copper alloy. My butt. No way it is. So, we'll fill up the 2 cups. Wish I had more than a 1 cup measuring cup at this very moment. 1 cup. Wrong for the second cup here. Also, we should switch to metric. It should all be in milliliters, but whatever. 2 cups. Now for my great value white vinegar. Focus on it. There we go. Very nice to it. Oh no, I was gonna have Tex take a shot. Hey Rooster, do you want to take a shot of vinegar? Well, we can do that too for the views. Take your pick.
I think no.
Wow, what a pansy. Alright, put vinegar in the pan. Now it's time to add the solution. We'll cut to putting that in there. Okay, actually, before we go any further, before we dissolve the stuff into solution.
Oh my god.
Okay, thank you, Rooster's girlfriend. So, here's the shot of vinegar. Take it, Tex. Oh, boring reaction. Want to do another one? Want to do another one?
I guess. Why not? Or I'll just ruin my stomach.
Shoot 'em up, boys.
I'm feeling sick already.
Should have just taken a whole shot. You can follow with some baking soda.
I'm getting some tingly aftertaste right now. It's not going well. Alright, nobody's in the bathroom.
Oh, that one!
Yeah, I'm definitely.
Oh, did you vomit? Nope.
Not at all.
Oh. You wouldn't be the first person to vomit on this channel.
Oh, thanks for that, Mr. Sheep.
Do you want to follow it up with some? Do you want to follow up with some gin?
I don't really want to have any of your paint thinner right now. Thank you very much.
Oh yeah, pleasure's all mine. And the 2 people that watch this. Actually, I'll join the fun. Why not? 1 for the money, 2 for the show. Look out, world. Here we go.
Doing well. I'm in the red zone.
I'm gonna point this out. Oh, my eyes are gonna water. Man, just swish that in your mouth. Never just let it hit your throat, because it burns a lot. So, the jars were put in the microwave. They're sanitized.
Where's that stamina now?
And I did have the cucumbers in the freezer, trying to cool them off faster because they were warm. This is like my only night to do this before it's like, you know, it's getting really late in the season to have pickles, but obviously not perfect here.
You got some endurance.
Oh, I didn't cut the ends off this one. Yeah, whoopsie. It'll be fine, right? Because the guy left the comments like, yeah, I shouldn't do that, but this stuff, I have high hopes for this. I think it's supposed to sit for like a week. I have no idea. I have read the instructions, and to be fair, I have vinegar. It's way more entertaining, to be honest. So obviously, I bought too many cucumbers again. And so, yeah, problems. I'll cut back to you when it's the cucumbers cut. Okay, after the vinegar taste testing, the cucumbers are now in the pickle jar. The jars are not cold at this point. I really don't know how you're supposed to put them in the warm jar. It doesn't really work. They don't stay warm long enough. Anyway, disregard the copyright music in the background. We're now going to dissolve this on heat into solution, shall we? Oh, that's disgusting. Ooh, look at that. Okay, that was. Okay, that was. It was warm. Something I want to do though. Add some pickle ice to it, just for kicks and giggles. Well, more color, I should say. Oh, that's not supposed to happen like that. There we go. I mean, actually, I don't know if I ever updated you guys on this, but I did manage to make pickles with this. That's what I'll do. I'll make more pickles with this. So now, we agitate. If you watched my video on bonds, you get it to dissolve quicker. Our ice cube is gone, by the way. It didn't last very long. Wow, that's warm. See, I don't know what they count as dissolved. I mean, there's a bunch of stuff floating in solution, so it's hard to know. I'm beginning to realize why they want the jars warm. I'm about to pour a hot liquid into glass. Let's cut to that. Okay. Let's attempt this, shall we? All right. There's one. Nothing ever seems to go right in this channel, especially with the Minecraft Let's Plays, which you can check out every Monday and Wednesday. We just add vinegar to fix the problem. Good enough. This might not work at all. And it says to wrap the lids. I don't care. This is already a failure. Again. Now, I don't know where the recipe is. We gotta put these in the fridge. Okay, sorry. So actually, we're fine. It says if more stuff is needed, mix more vinegar and water. I just added a bunch of vinegar. We'll see how this goes. Anyways, it says a week. So, in 1 week, we will know. I kind of didn't think about that. I recorded part of this, but the end of it won't be for another week, so see you in a week.
8 hours later.
It's been about a week. Not the seed, the pickles.
About a week for both, honestly.
Yeah, no, the seed's less. Alright. Taste test.
Don't lie.
That's a pickle, right? Now, for one the spears. Okay. No, what are these little circles on here? I don't want those. That's a pickle. This time, Mrs. Wages actually got something right. This is the most awkward way of holding a camera. Ugh. Anyways, I'd like to thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. New random videos. I don't know. Good night. Subs for trees. Subs for trees. Subs for trees. Subs for trees. Oh, you're still here? I thought I told you to go home. Oh, you want more? I'm flattered. Check out the playlist. If you want exclusive content, check out my Instagram, Dr_sheep_YouTube. That's all lowercase. If you want to help the earth, subscribe. When I reach 100 subscribers, I'm going to plant 10 trees. If you feel that's too small, then check out my channel chart where I lay out even bigger goals. Finally, stick around for the next 20 seconds to give me that sweet watch time. Bye.